Sophia, I'm already stopped. What's your age? I'm 18 years old. But you know, my birthday is April 2. My birthday is coming. What's your age? Yes po. April 2, my birthday. But walang jacket si Mr. Mouth. Because si Mr. Mouth is Marites. Lol. I'm just kidding. Wow! My birthday April. Wow, me too. Same months. Me and you, same the months. Yeah, right?